Next, we'll visit Wanli Cheng, or the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall isn't just one long, continuous wall, but a series of forts, walls, and beacon towers built, rebuilt, and expanded over thousands of years. It is the longest ancient military structure in the world. The wall's history can be divided into three main phases. Beginnings, 7th century BC, 221 BC. Before China was unified, small warring states such as Qian and Zhao built separate earthen walls along their borders to protect themselves from attacks by each other and northern nomadic tribes. Unification era, Qin Dynasty 221-206 BC. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China who also built the Terracotta Army, successfully unified China. To secure the northern border from attacks by the Xiongnu, ancestors of the Huns, he ordered General Meng Tian to connect the separate walls into a single line of defense. Most of the walls of this era were made of rammed earth, so many have collapsed or disappeared today. The expansion era, Han Dynasty, 206 BC, 220 AD. Emperor Wu of Han extended the wall as far west as the Gobi Desert. Its specific purpose: in addition to defense, the wall during this era served to protect the Silk Road, ensuring the safety of merchants who brought wealth to the empire. The peak and modern era, Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644. This was the most famous and impressive era of wall construction. Most of the Great Wall we see today, including popular tourist photos, was built during the Ming Dynasty. They transitioned from compacted earth to massive brick and granite masonry due to the constant threat of the Mongols. The Great Wall of China boasts a unique construction in cement. During the Ming Dynasty, ancient engineers created a super strong mortar made from a mixture of lime and sticky rice porridge. This organic mixture made the wall resistant to earthquakes and erosion for centuries. Millions of people were employed, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners. An estimated 400,000 to 1 million workers died of exhaustion and starvation during the centuries-long project. Their bodies were often buried in the wall's foundations, earning it the nickname, the longest cemetery on Earth. The wall's primary function was, of course, military defense. It served to repel the cavalry of northern nomads. They used daytime smoke signals and nighttime fires from beacon towers to quickly send messages of enemy attacks to the capital. Other functions included border control, monitoring immigration, and collecting taxes on goods entering and leaving the Silk Road. There are two interesting facts about the Great Wall of China. First, its length. According to the latest archaeological survey, if you add up all its branches and ruins from various dynasties, its total length reaches 21,196 kilometers. Second, the space myth. There is a popular myth that the Great Wall is visible from the moon with the naked eye. This is not true. Astronauts have confirmed that the wall is too narrow to be seen from low orbit, let alone the moon, without the aid of a camera lens. There are two sectors to choose from, Badaling and Mutianyu. Although Badaling is the most famous sector, analysis shows that Mutianyu is a superior choice for international tourists seeking a balance between accessibility and an authentic experience. Badaling is often overcrowded and highly commercialized. In contrast, Mutianyu, rebuilt during the Ming Dynasty on the foundations of the Northern Qi, offers more intact fortifications with unique architectural features such as dense watchtowers. Mutianyu has excellent infrastructure, with the option of taking an enclosed cable car to Tower 14 or an open chairlift to Tower 6. One of Mutianyu's unique attractions is the toboggan descent from Tower 6. This is very popular with tourists of all ages. Next, we'll head to Xi'an, the window to eternity. Xi'an is the zenith of Chinese imperial history. As the capital of 13 dynasties, including the Qin, Han, and Tang, and the starting point of the Silk Road, the city offers unparalleled archaeological depth.